Don't waste the end of that peanut butter. Make chicken skewers with this peanut dipping sauce. I'm a thigh guy, and this time I'm not even going to give it a trim. I'm just going to cut it up, but I am going to keep the pieces kind of small because I intend to skewer them. If you insist on using breast meat, I wouldn't cut your pieces as small. Always fresh garlic, and you don't even need to peel it. Just snap off a clove and grate the whole thing right into your chicken. That little bit of peel isn't going to bother anybody, but that garlic is going to help things taste good. I do the same thing with ginger. Break it and grate it. Whenever I use garlic and ginger in a marinade, I always grate them. Grated fresh aromatics, soy sauce for salt, baking soda to help tenderize and for browning, and maple syrup for sweetness, which will help caramelize as well. Alcohol helps marinades work quickly. In this case, Shaoxing cooking wine, my favorite. Lots of fresh black pepper. Give that a good mix, and in 30 minutes, that ginger and garlic with the help of that wine is going to transform that chicken. Whenever we get to the end of the peanut butter in this house, we make this. Use a stiff rubber spatula and scrape every bit of peanut butter to the bottom. I always end up with about a quarter cup. You already have the grater out. Add more garlic and ginger, and to a quarter cup of peanut butter, 2 tablespoons each of soy sauce and maple syrup. Who doesn't have soy sauce and maple syrup in their house? But if you don't have any fresh ginger and garlic, the powdered stuff will do fine. Just never use that jarred shit. A stick blender and a little milk as needed. And you got yourself peanut sauce. But if someone has a nut allergy in your house, sesame paste will do the trick. And bonus points if you can find Chinese sesame paste, which is roasted and tastes even more like peanut butter. Those smaller chicken pieces that you bothered to cut earlier means more surface area for when you grill. No grill? Don't fret. A toaster oven with a broiler, and you could pull this off in a dorm room. And when you skewer your chicken, be careful not to overstack. We want to get charred edges everywhere. These are going under the broiler in my oven. An air fryer will work too. No grill, no problem. And don't forget, you got peanut sauce for dipping.
Meat on a stick and peanut sauce. Always good.
Yeah, those are good.
On its own, that garlicky ginger chicken is delicious.
I love them.
That makes chicken and peanut sauce a possibility at home.
It's like takeout.
That's so like takeout.
We didn't waste nothing, and that peanut sauce is f***ing impressive.
No, that's something super easy you can throw together.